Let's fix mobile data problems. First of all, go to settings, choose connections, and first of all make sure that airplane mode is not enabled by accident. Then we can go to SIM manager, make sure that SIM card is enabled, so take a look at the switcher, make sure that it is on, and then make sure that eSIM is not deactivating SIM2 in case you are trying to use SIM2 for mobile data. Make sure that mobile data over here is also selected for the appropriate SIM card, because if you have more than one, then you have a choice between different SIM cards, and of course it can be also disabled, so make sure that any SIM is selected. Sometimes there is also an outage on the service carrier provider side, so make sure that it is not the issue on the carrier side. And if it's not, then we can also go back to settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down and choose general management. Then here go to reset, and then choose reset mobile network settings. Press this button, but before you do, you can actually also choose which SIM card you want to reset if you have more than one. So select the correct SIM card and then press reset settings, enter the password of your phone, and then confirm your choice. There we go. Now go back to the settings of connections and choose SIM manager, and once again check if SIM cards are activated and if the mobile data is enabled by using the correct SIM card. In the future you can also enable and disable mobile data over here in quick settings in the panel. Check more guides on my channel, like, comment, subscribe.